I'll tell you more about Vibe. Vibe is a free open source desktop app for macOS, Windows and Linux that transcribes audio and video completely offline using OpenAI Whisper model. Because it runs locally, your data, it never leaves your computer. No internet connection is required and privacy is fully preserved. And the few key features are multilingual transcriptions, multiple export formats, online video support, real-time preview. We can even use summarize with API or even a Llama instance or other flexible models. So this is what we can install. I can just press it, and as you can see, it's being downloaded. Actually, I downloaded it already, and you can check the repository here. So this is the repository. You can download it if you see user-friendly design and other stuff. And now if I go to start and I will just use Vibe, this is how the panel looks like. As you can see, we have three main categories. The first is just microphone and speakers, so I can just record and it will automatically transcribe what I'm saying. The third one is just a link, and probably if you open it up, it download YouTube libraries. And I will copy it over. It's a short video, DuckDB in 100 seconds. So I will just open the new tab and I will just copy it over. And now just download and describe. It should just download it basically from the video. So as you can see, it's downloading. Wow, it's working very fast. I'm using actually the slowest model, so you can download the faster model. This is the audio, and we see actually exactly the time. And this way you can copy it over, you can save transcript, you can right alignment or left alignment. It's just mostly for people like who are using it from Arabic or Hebrew. And this way we can actually download it. So if I just save transcript as PDF, we can just save it as it here. Basically, I just press test and here, and this way I can use it. So if I go to desktop now and open it up, we'll just go to desktop and open it in PDF, and this way actually, as you can see, it's downloaded. But it's not only for this. Basically, if you go to that platform, we can as well install it by going to DocX or other tools. So if you have some videos and you want to transcribe it, actually you can freely use it. So if you're interested maybe our SRT that is popular, we see the timers, you can easily save it as SRT files. I will just choose the desktop again, and then if you go it again, and basically if there is desktop, I will just open it up. I can just open in Notepad and I will see all of the informations. That is very great. So this is just for YouTube, and keep that in mind, I'm using the slowest model. If you go to settings here, and if you want to use another model, this is the Discord community, this is the copy logs, just for debugging, and this is YouTube DLP for updates. It's important because YouTube tends to change API. Sometimes you cannot just get subtitles from the YouTube. This is the customize, so this is for models. So if you go, this is the folder with the models, and we can change model folders if you want to reapply, or we can download the models. This is the address URL that will go basically to GitHub page, and I'm using tiny model. But if you want to use a bigger one, you can go directly, or large, or maybe recommended, or maybe this is specialized for Hebrew. But if you go here, as you can see, it will just directly go, and we can download it basically from here. I will cancel it now, and if you don't want directly from here, you can just go direct download. It will just download 1.5 gigabytes, and then what you need to do basically, if you go and try to install, you just go to settings, and keep that in mind, you just go to here, but just the models folder, and this is the models that I've installed now. But if you want to use your own, you just copy it over here and then basically change from here. I'm using the tiny one. You can use other ones, you can delete it or try to use just only the big one, and this way you can just maybe want to save space, or maybe you just want to have the best model, which is highly recommended. But I show you the model that is just a tiny and it still works. And even if I go now, okay, I don't want to download it, I go to auto detect files, I record something in Polish. So this is just a thing that I recorded in Polish. This is the 5-6 minutes. Okay, I will just use it. As you can see, it is 6, and I will just transcribe. Okay, this is a problem, so I will just reset Vibe, and it's because I just opened it up. So I will just go again to settings, and now I will not use turbo, because as you can see, I use tiny because it hasn't been finished to download. And now if I go back, I don't know why, but it changed the language to my one from the computer. I will just choose English again. I will go back, and I will open the file. I will select the file, I will select the same file, I will transcribe, and as you can see, it's already loading, and I should see the Polish text. Alright, so key points, the game version number slider is actually has been translated, so it's great because it has been transcribed. So this will not be able to image, this is also a text, the sandbox will be the map. It's great, so it has been transcribed. That's actually very powerful stuff. And now I just use auto detect and it should show Polish. If not, I will just mark it as a Polish. And yeah, this is just a Polish. So keep that in mind, maybe just try to avoid auto detect and use the Polish. And as you can see, it's just in Polish and detected pretty nice. And you can translate most of the languages, and you can transcribe most of the languages, and you can transcribe any files, and he will not send anything to the server because it's locally installed on your computer. So it's priced as a private, no internet, top quality transcription tool.